How to clear the cache of your iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear cache on your iPhone 14. So this method will work for all of your iPhone 14 series such as the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now even if you don't have the iPhone 14, this method will still work for older iPhones such as the iPhone 11, 12, 13, iPhone X, etc. So without any further delay, let us begin. So there are basically two ways on how you can clear the cache on your iPhone 14. The first one is simply going to settings. Now scroll down and then go to general. After that, go to iPhone storage, and now it will provide you the list of all of the different apps, and it will also show you the data or the storage they are occupying. So let's say you want to clear the cache of your TikTok. Simply tap on it, and now as this is iPhone and not an Android, there is no particular option named clear cache. So what you'll have to do in order to clear cache on your iPhone is simply offload the app. Now once you've done that, it will say offloading TikTok will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So simply tap on the option offload app, and once you've done that, you'll have to reinstall TikTok from the Play Store and then log into your account. Now that was one way on how you can clear the cache on your iPhone. Now the second one is the way where you clear the cache from the specific app itself. So let me show you an example. If you go to your Snapchat and then tap on your profile on the top left, now go to settings. Now if you scroll down there, you can see the option clear data, and there you can see the option clear cache. Simply tap on it and then you can see the option clear all cache. So if you tap on the option clear, you'll have cleared your cache of your Snapchat. And similarly, you can do this with other apps as well if they have the feature named clear cache. So those are the two ways on how you can clear cache on your iPhone. The first one is the default way where you offload apps, and the second one is you go through the app and then search for the option named clear cache and then clear it from there. So hope this video cleared your confusion and helped you guys out. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.